Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google review QR code for your business. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, open the internet browser. Once you are on Google, make sure you are logged into your Google account. Then click on this square icon in the top hand side. Click on Business Profile Manager, and from this list select the business that you want to create the QR code for. This will take you to your visible Google profile page. From the right hand side you will see a list of all of your reviews. Click on the Google reviews button over here, then select get more reviews, and what you need to do is copy this link here by pressing this copy button. Once you've copied the review link, we can then head back over to Google. In the search box, type in QR space code space monkey. Click on this top search result, this QR code monkey.com website. Paste your URL into the URL section, and if you want you can also customize some of the settings here, so you can change the colors of the QR code and you can also add things like logo or image. Once you finish with the customization, click on create QR code, and as you can see, this has now created a QR code for our business. Now we can download this to a PNG, and once the QR code downloaded, you can then share that with your customers and wherever you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create a Google review QR code for your business. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.